Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to find a slope of a line given 2 points. And make sure that you're paying close attention because I'm actually going to be giving you two homework answers when I show you how to do this. So let's look at the first one. So I am given the points 5, 7, and 3, 4. And when we find the slope of a line, we actually have a formula. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And up here, if I wasn't sure, I could always label my points. So my points are x1, y1, and x2, y2. So now I'm going to replace the variables that I'm given in my formula with the numbers that I just labeled. So first number I start with is y2. y2 is 4 minus my y1 is 7 over, so this is a fraction bar. My x2 is 3 and my x1 is 5. So now there's a couple of ways I can do this. I can just start going across and solving. So I have 4 minus 7, which is -3. And I have 3 minus 5, which is -2. And a negative over a negative is a positive, so my slope is just positive 3 over 2. Another way I could do that is I can take this right here and plug it into my calculator. So I'm going to press the N over D button. That's right here. On top, I'm going to do 4 minus 7. And on bottom, I'm going to do 3 minus 5. And then just press enter. And I get positive 3 over 2. Let's do one more. So I have 7, 6, and 4, 3. And remember, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And my formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now I'm just replacing the letters with the numbers. So my y2 is 3, so I have 3 minus my y1 is 6 over x2 is 4 minus x1 is 7. So 3 minus 6 is -3. 4 minus 7 is also -3. And -3 divided by -3 is 1. If I wanted to double check that, again, I can just take out my calculator, press N over D to get that fraction, and I have 3 minus 6 on top, 4 minus 7 on bottom, and I get 1. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.